Hello guys, it's Aiden here from NJP, and today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Alright, so you want to get this white cross here. So you look at the bottom, there's no white. You want to look for the whites here. Here's a white here, and it's a blue one. It's a blue-white. So you want to flip it over, get this blue-white, and line it up with the middle blue here. Then you're gonna go like that, like that, like that, and like that. Now you've got it matched up. You can slow down the video if you want, but I'm gonna keep going. So you've got, well, now you look at the bottom again. Here, there is a white here. There's one right here. It's a red one, so you want to match it up to the red side. And this time, since it's on the bottom, you can just go, there's a B. Oh, that's not a B, that's a wasp. Alright, it went away. I'm a bit scared now. But anyway, now this one's matched up and this one's matched up. Then you look at the bottom again. There's no white. There's not even a white on the sides. So then you look to the sides. Here's a white and here's a white. Here's an orange one. And it's at the orange thing, so all you have to do here, this. Now this one's matched up, this one's matched up, and this one's matched up. So now you look again for the white. Here's the green one. So for this, to get this down here, away from this, you just do this, turn it, put this one back, this one's here. Now the green is matched up, so then you just turn it like that, and now you've got the white cross, because now it's like all connected. Next step, whoa, get the white corners. So you look at the top again, and here's a white corner. So it's a blue and red white corner. You'd move it to the blue and red, like border thing. I like to think of that because I like to do maps and that, and like show where they are. So then you're gonna have to learn this trick. So for this hand, for the left one, it's up, right, down, left. And then now this one's here, but maybe it'd be another one. So you just do it over and over again until you get it to how you want. Let's continue for this. Now we've got this white one. It's a green and orange corner. So here's the green, but this is red, not orange. So you want to move it over here to the orange and green border side. So this one, you do the right side. You do up, left, down, right. Now, it's not here, is it? It's right here. It's right here. So then you do it again. Up, left, down, right. It's right here now. This one is this one really, but it's over here. So then you do it again. Up, left, down, right. Now we've got it there. Now it's there. Now we do the next corner, which is the blue and orange and blue one. I saw blue here and thought, all right, anyway, then you'd move it over here. Here's the orange, blue, orange, blue. This is white. So then you do the left one because you do up, right, down, left. Now, you've got this last one. It's the red and green one. It's this one right here, red and green. Move it over. There you go. Okay, now you want to get the second layer. To get the second layer, it's a little bit complicated, this bit. So it's got, so you'd find one of the top ones that doesn't have yellow on it. One of the top middle ones that doesn't have yellow on it. So this one has yellow on it. This one doesn't have yellow on it. So it's a blue one. So you'd move it to the blue, and it's also a red one. So you'd move it away from the red. Now it's over here, blue, blue, away from the red. Since you've moved it left, you do the right side. So you do up, left, down, right. Change the position to this panel. Up, right, down, left. Okay. This one, well, yeah, so this one goes, it's matched up. It's blue, move it away. It's, yeah, blue, orange, orange, blue, move it away from the blue, up, left, down, right. Then change position to this, up, right, down, left. Now we've got the green and orange one. Green, orange, red, orange, orange. Move away from the orange. Okay, so that's not gonna happen every time. Sometimes you'll have to go this way. So see, orange, orange, green. Here it is. You move away from the green. Then you do the left thing. Up, right, down, left. Then you do this side. If you do, yeah, and then you do this. So if you do it on the right, then you move to the right. If you do it on the left, you move to the left. Okay, now we need to get the yellow cross. Now after you've done the first two layers. So this one has this thing here. If you've got this, cool for you. Then you put this here. If you got, yeah, I don't really know what to say about that, but yeah, you go here. This is the second pattern. The first pattern is just a dot in the middle, and where you do this next step wherever you'd like. But for this, you want to position it so it's in the top left. So you'd move it that way, and then you do the right thing. Up, left, down, right. Then you'd move it back up. Now it's this stage where it's just this bar. So you don't want to do it here, because that's bad. It would ruin it. You do it here. Up, left, down, right. Go up. Now here's the cross. If you have a dot in the middle, do that thing anywhere, and then yeah, and then continue that process. Now you want to match up these to the colors they are. So if you get it like I've got it now, where it's these two matched up, then you do it anywhere, like right. Well, actually, don't do it anywhere. Do it on the face, this face, that where it's like both like that. So you go up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down. Now you've got it here, which is, I find it more common, and it's more solved. So then you do this so that the solved one is here and the solved one is in the back. Then you do the same thing. Up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down. And then you go like this, boom, boom, connected, boom, connected, boom, connected. Now you want to find the solved corners. So this one, it's not solved. It's red. There's no red. Also green, there's no green. Blue, no blue. Red, no red. So I think, yeah, I've got nothing solved here. So what I want to do is anywhere, go left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Now I've got this one solved. So if you've got a solved one, put it in the top right corner like this, and then it doesn't have to like properly be solved to be solved, or like in the right place. It could be like this, then it's green, orange, but it's not, so I'm gonna put it back so I'm not breaking it. So then to solve these other corners, you do the same thing that I just did, but you have to keep this here. Left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Okay, here we are. Now these 4 corners are solved. Now you want to like put them like properly in their place. So now we've got, yeah, it's red, blue, right corner, green, red. So now what you want to do is you want to have it like this, and then you want to do the right thing over again until this is solved. Still not solved. Still not solved. Now it is. So now you want to move it like this. If you move it like this, you've ruined it. Don't do that. So then you want to do the right thing again until it's solved. Now you've solved it. Boom. Just like that. Have any questions? Comment. Hello again. This is the end of the video. Hope you were able to solve the Rubik's Cube from that. If not, there's a video, one of these corners, that will hopefully if it works, that will lead you to the one that I learned from. If you want to see more content like tutorials or football videos, please subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.